Diecast gang, welcome back to the Creation Studio. Hope all you guys having a blessed day. Feeling some type of way myself, gang. Been kind of having a rough week, to be honest with you. My little brother was just visiting from Texas. Big shout out to my little brother, Mike, and he had brought his two fur babies with him. He got two pits, terrier mix, and he stayed with me about 5 days. He had to come in to Chicago for some business, to take care of some business, but he had to bring his dogs with him, and needless to say, he had the dogs for a long time. One of them, he had probably about close to 20 years. So needless to say, Rocky was pretty old, but when he left and traveled back to Texas, Rocky didn't make it. He passed on the road trip back, so that was just yesterday, and it kind of put me down, guys. You know, we all love our fur babies. Big shout out to Bella Weller. High five. She with me. She always chilling. Big shout out to my Diecast brother Jared, that just lost one of his fur babies. It's tough, guys. It really is, and it really touched my heart deeply because, you know, our animals, our pets especially, they innocent, guys. All they seek is our attention, and they're really awesome. Other than that, guys, I haven't done too much in the studio this week. I haven't posted any videos. I haven't really posted on social media at all too much this week because I kind of been busy trying to help my brother out while he was here, taking care of his business, which is like carpentry work and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna get into that. Today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys. I got some new diecasts. I have been shopping, but I also have been feeling a little bit irresponsible. Had a lot on my mind this week. Just financially, just gonna keep it real with you because this is KG's channel, KG Diecast and Diorama. So I always tell you a little bit about myself sometimes in these videos. So guys, I appreciate all you guys that bear with me. Trying to get it together, you know, one step at a time. But I thought about this week, and I've been spending a lot of money, guys, on my hobby, diecast, everything in general. And there's a lot of other things, more important things, actually, that I need to be taking care of. I don't know if you guys, for those of you who have been watching me for a while, some of you guys might know, I have a 2001 Grand Prix that's been sitting in my garage for like almost 10 years now. I have to check my stickers, my tags, but I know the car been sitting for like almost 10 years. And it just needs some work. It needs some suspension work, and the car still runs amazingly. I started it every year, a few times a year. And I want to get it out this year. I want to invest in it, and you know, I haven't been responsible for my money. I've been spending so much on diecast, and I know some of you guys probably would just say, I can sell some of my diecast to fund my build on my Grand Prix, because I want to put it back together and do some things to it. But I don't know, guys. I just need to slow down purchasing more diecast. That's all. And I've been considering it, but I do be caught up in the hobby. And I'm not really saving anything. That's another thing. So I know I was gonna blabber on for about 5 minutes, guys, but just trying to fill you guys in on what's been going on with me I've been thinking about things, trying to figure out things. Don't have a lot of money by all means. I work a regular job, regular 9 to 5, like most people, and you know, just getting back check to check, you know. But at my age, I feel like I gotta be a little bit more responsible. So move right along. I'll show you guys some new stuff that I just picked up like this week. I got a slew, probably. And I might miss some things, gang, but because I'm not organized, I didn't prepare this video. But let's get right into it. Alrighty, gang. My workshop is still somewhat a mess. Got a bunch of stuff all over. But I picked up these Matchbox moving parts at Target last week. And starting off with this Tesla Model 3. Looks like a pretty nice one. To be honest with you, I don't like the new box and new boxes because you can't really see but a little bit of the car. You know, if there's any defects in there or anything, you wouldn't be able to tell until you get it out. So I really don't like it. You know, I appreciate the eco-friendliness of it, but I don't like the fact that I can't see the car. Only the little front portion. Can't see the top of it, the other side of it, the back of it. It's crazy. But we had 2019 Ford Ranger, which is, I love the wheels on that. Like what Matchbox is doing. Finally found the Chevy Tahoe. And I'm gonna get all these out of the box pretty soon. Not gonna leave them in there just because of the box. 73 BMW. That's a CSL 3.0. Very nice. They also have this car in Hot Wheels Ultra Hots that I've been looking for. Here's another one, 2023 Audi RS6 Avant. Which I'm gonna get this one out right now, gang, while we at it. Because I want to do a comparison. Why not? I want to compare this to a Hot Wheels Audi Avant RS I have in the premium. I just pushes it out. I really don't like. Okay, I really don't like the let's get it to focus. Not bad at all. I like the colored interior, and the moving parts is the tailgate, but it's crazy with these Matchboxes. The moving parts move, but they're not really, it won't stay up on its own. But that's the interior. I like the color. The steering wheel don't have much detail, but let's check out the I got my Audi over here on the wall. Let me see, where is it? Okay, here it is. This is I have the Hot Wheels premium version of this Audi Avant. See if I can get focus. bad. Side by side comparison. I don't know. Got a lot of cars out. Very nice Audi Matchbox. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Both of them is pretty nice. All right, gang. I also picked up this Hot Wheels Premium, the Beatles. It's that highway hauler. I really liked it when I started reading the ticket. Put my glasses on and started reading the ticket on the side of the truck. Seen this. I never seen this before, so I seen it on the pegs. Didn't hesitate to grab it. Another thing that I found this week was, I've been seeing this. I missed it a couple of times. I actually walked past it a few and left it a couple of times, but I came home and I thought about it. This is another Audi. Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and I have another one right there. Burgundy that I did a wheel swap on, but these have rubber tires, and I already had this version right here, the green version. I don't know, Vigilant, whatever this is. I have to look it up to see what this is, because I'm not even sure what advertisement that is. But I've been had the green one down. Look at the top of the car. They had both cars, the green and the white, together, and I guess now I have both. You know, so that was different. That was definitely different. So today, big shout out to my homie Jared, my Diecast brother. For those who've been watching me, been knowing that I've been ranting about this car right here, the Mercury Comet Cyclone, the 65 gas version, and the 65 and the 56 year anniversary edition. My boy Jared messaged me last week. He said, "Do you still need this?" And I said, "Bro, I definitely do." And it was two. I think he was at the store, and it was two in the photo that he sent me. And I told him I actually need two. So I really appreciate the fact that he reached out and he filled that void that I really needed. I was really hunting. I went to like every single Walgreens in my city that I know about, in my area, around my job. I was just going back and forth to different Walgreens. Some of them I hit several times because I was just waiting for it to drop. I seen like two Walgreens that had the 56 year anniversary editions. They only had like a few on the pegs. Like, I guess people are really grabbing them. So I was blessed to get this one, and I'm gonna do a wheel swap. This is the wheel swap I'm gonna do today, and it's probably gonna shock most of you guys. I'm gonna get one of them out the package. That's why I told them I needed two. So before I get to that, I had made a Walmart stop and came up on the Porsche set. This was early last week. I still got them in the bag, pardon me. In no particular order, I'm still missing one. I think I'm missing 6 or 6. I got the 71 Porsche 911 from the Porsche set, Hot Wheels. This is a very nice one. Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. And that's 5 or 6. 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. and 44, however you call it. It's a 3 of 6. I really like this one. Also, Porsche 935, 4 of 6. Probably my favorite of all, the Porsche 356 Speedster. And this will be 1 of 6. I grabbed two of the Speedsters. I think that's pretty much it. If I have some other stuff I already set to the side, I forgot about it. I have a massive range of stuff, gang. But getting on to this wheel swap, guys. So I was gonna uncard one of these. I actually got the whole set now. Yeah, it's gonna be this one, guys. I actually want to add some details to the front end of it. I want to actually paint the headlights and the little, got like some little holes in the hood, like breathing holes. I want to do black, white headlights. And it turns into kind of like the picture on the card art. I want to take my time and color it, but I don't have the right color paint right now, so I have to go shopping for the paint. And also the tail lights. I'm glad I had a premium version to compare the tail lights with, because it's only this is a premium Cyclone, only the little corners of the tail lights need to be painted, so this is my premium Cyclone. I don't know if there's many of these out there, guys, different 65 Cyclones. I know it's a black one that has Cyclone on it. I'm looking for that one also. Wish I might have to order it or get lucky enough to find it on Whatnot. But I actually got another comparison I want to do also, but the car I want to compare is not here yet, so I'm expecting it in the mail today. So if it comes before I end this video, I'm gonna do another comparison. But let's get this Cyclone out the package, guys. It's gonna blow your minds, guys, when I say which car I'm finna swap it with. But it's only a car to me. Yeah. I really like the Mercs. We gonna Merc the Merc. Okay. I got an idea for the wheel swap, and I want to leave the rivets in this time. I got some snips right here, and this is the first time I'm gonna be actually trying this. I got 2 sets of snips I have, so I'm just gonna try to snip the wheels off and put some new axles on. But let me grab the car that we finna swap with. All right, gang, I got it. Y'all ready for this? Yes, Sirski. I got the Super Treasure Hunt, Volkswagen, Keifer Racer. I actually found this on the pegs at a Jewel's when the first year I started collecting Hot Wheels. I actually found 2, so this one is uncarded. It's been uncarded for a while. Some of them are selling for a nice amount of price. I mean, I don't think they worth about like $30 at the most. I seen some online. I just checked recently. I seen one selling for $30. Carded. This is uncarded, but I do have another carded one right there. The day I found it, I actually found 2, and I actually found 2 of the golden what is it, ducks. It's like a golden duck treasure hunt. I got 2 of them, so this bad boy is gonna lose his wheels today. You know, and it has a plastic base. At first I thought it had a metal base, but I'm gonna snip the wheels off of both cars and I'm gonna put new axles in. I probably will put the wheels off of the Cyclone onto the kite just to have some wheels on it. But let's get right to it, gang. Alrighty, gang. I'm trying to set you guys up where you can kind of somewhat be part of the experience. Got the kite right here. I'm gonna move some of my stuff out the way. Unbox the okay. Apologize for the brief delay. So I do have some wheel axles. Just gotta get in here with these snips. This is my first time doing this, guys. And I'm praying that I don't damage the wheel. I should have a towel or something. Let me see. There it goes. That's the front. So we got them wheels off. We got the axle tools right off. That's the front. Get the back. Just to hold the towel on there, because this, I think them things will pop all over the place. Yeah. This back is kind of more tight. I'm gonna get in between there. We don't want to even damage the back of the wheel, guys, so take the rubber off. Sorry for being out of view, gang. I'm just gonna take the rubber off the tire temporarily to try to protect it. I really don't care about the axle. There you go. I ain't gonna be lying. This one on this side was kind of tighter, but I did get them off, as you can see. No big deal, guys. I got the rears now. Gonna reapply the tire. I don't know why the tire looks like you got a scuff on it, but I didn't do that. Okay. The old axle tube out of there. Alright. Now I can do the same thing with the Cyclone. Cyclone should be a little easier because it's a lift it like a gasser. Sorry about me being slow, guys. I said this is my first time doing this. Just chopping the, you know. So I got the wheels off. The base is still on, so let's get to the next part. Alrighty, gang, I got a bunch of axle tubes. Rods and tubes, guys. Got a bunch of them, so matter of fact, now that I'm thinking, I should have some already out. And I do. And see if I can get some out in the open. Okay. I need two axles and 4 pins. One moment. I'm trying to get these pins out. They're kind of small and delicate to work with, so I apologize. I could have pulled them out before I started the video back, but I'll just be going at it. So first thing I'm gonna do is take one of the pins, which is right here. Oh shoot, so small, guys. Guys can probably barely see it. What I'm gonna do is take my pliers and bend it. Just a tad bit on the end. That's what you wanna do. As soon as you see the slightest little bend, I recommend you stop. So I'm gonna take that and plug it right into the axle, it slides right into the axle. Probably not gonna be able to see that too good. That's it right now, halfway stuck into the bend. Now I'm just gonna force push it with all I use is the end of a thumbtack to put on top of there. Put it on something on hard level. Put it on my counter. And I made a boo-boo, guys. I tried to push it down, it bent, so I'm gonna try again. Try again, guys. Like I said, all you need is a little bend. I just bent another one. Now I'm inserting it in. Push it down in there. Okay. Second time around, I was successful. Got my first pin all the way pushed down in there. Now, take one of the wheels. This is the rear. Take my axle tube through, and the wheel should stay on. Cause you got the pin on the end. And that's one thing I like about these 3-piece axles, cause you can adjust them to whichever size you need them. So now, my next step is sticking one of the wheels on to the axle, like so. It's just on there. My axle tube is sticking out way far in from the other side, so what I'm gonna do now Just take my snip. Hopefully I don't damage. I'm gonna do it the way I've been doing it. I've been cutting these axle tubes with my drummer. Oh wow. Drummer, I just broke my blade, so I'm gonna try this for the first time. If it don't work, it's not a big deal. I got more axle tubes, so we're gonna test this out for the first time. Snipping it. Kind of about nowhere I'm gonna snip it at. Now just a little bit past the end of the fender, I guess. About right there. Okay. Hopefully I didn't bend it. And the axle tube will get back, the next pin to get back down in there. Jesus, guys. I think it bent it. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure it did. So I damaged it, guys. I tried to snip it on the end there. I did snip it and cut it, but it kind of closed the end of the axle where I can't stick my pin in. So go back to my traditional way. Only reason I didn't do it the first time. Let me pull my drummer out. I was trying to grab it. I broke the blade, so this happens sometimes with your drummer. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this blade and do it the right way. Alright guys, back where we left off. I went ahead and replaced the axle, cut it with the Dremel like I normally do. So the hole is actually still there. So now I'm back to sliding, trying to slide the tire back on there. Now all I gotta do is have another pin to stick through. So back to the little small pins, gang. Once again, you gotta bend it. Like, this is all trial and error, guys. Like I said, a lot of this is new to me, so I try new things. It's just an experience. Now, let's see if I can push this in. And put it on a solid surface. I got it in, gang. I think I got it. So that's the rear. Now I just have to repeat the process for the front. So another axle. I'm gonna go ahead and do the front since I showed you how to do. I'm gonna do the front the same way I did the rear. So that was on there. Alrighty guys, I got both cars back together. Made a little space. I don't have a lot of space right here, but I got a little space to show you display the cars. But here it is. The Cyclone on the Kuiper rear riders. There's a little nick right here on this wheel, but I might be able to scuff it up a little bit and fix it. I don't know. But there we have it, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna add some front end details to the headlights and the tail lights. So this should be a banger in the end. I really like this yellowish oranges looking copper, I don't know. But here, I went ahead and swapped the Keifer as well. I put the wheels from the Cyclone on it. And I didn't have to rivet. I didn't have to drill out no rivets. Just stuck them in with the new axle pins. Same thing with the Cyclone. So it's really this is really premium now. And I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. It's my wheel swap for today. I'm gonna add the details to the headlights, like I said, and tail lights. I'll show you guys that in my next video once it's all finished up. But I really enjoy these 1/64s, guys. You know it. I know it. The world's gonna know it, but it's gonna pretty much do it for today's video, guys. Gotta wrap it up. I gotta get out of here and get to work. But have a blessed day. Peace and love. It's your boy KG checking out from the Workshop Studio. Peace.